Stop breaking the spaghetti and please put the heavy cream down. Ciao, I am Vincenzo, and if you love Italian food, you are in the right place. Welcome to Vincenzo's Plate. My mission is to bring the true soul of Italy right into your kitchen. We are cooking authentic, mouth-watering Italian recipes the way they were meant to be made. No fake ingredients, no shortcuts. In fact, my wife Suzanne and I put our hearts, soul, and family secrets into our cookbook, Authentic Italian, so you can recreate this magic at home. But we don't just cook. We defend our culture. We react to the craziest internet food crimes to save you from a kitchen disaster. Nobody should be eating this. Why so many people have watched this video? This is bad. And I do the hard work for you, ranking the best and worst supermarket ingredients so you know exactly what is S tier and what belongs in the garbage. Because at the end of the day, Italian food is all about family. That's why you will see my absolute legend of a nonna in my videos, and my amazing network of real Italian chefs and home cooks, friends sharing their ultimate secrets with us. Whatever you want to learn, laugh, or just get incredibly hungry, this is your new home. Click on the subscribe button right now. Join the Vincenzo's Plate family and let's cook something beautiful together. E ora si mangia. Vincenzo's Plate.